Hamne hapo konsulsi junga kumanga I menta kumanga junior sioma ni don sangut menta hapo junga konsulsi nga page baro kini ki ada four kidi ki tough candidate ngana mo ong kidi ki candidate basu mo omla ban poi she nama lodang kinsting ye kini yo le se kandi ka ek baba kla yang ban kha ringa page ki as a candidate contest election at ngangi skim kachingele nginum de ban kinsting shang ban le kat bala the Nehlang coming back into the pictures. It's nice. Nganga si Kyrmen ban ong ba nganga yo ya ke experience ban learn through him. Numar hanga hi ilade kumi kpamo numar with his age ilade the age kum kpa junga and then he has a experience and then he guided me last election. He was the one who supported me heart and soul and then with other two ex-MLA kito arut kibala bang kwah shitwar play kito rukila ya support bahayanga. So I feel so blessed to have them 2018. When it comes to this, I got the opportunity to contest back against each other, so I will not mind him coming into the pictures, but it's just that I will pray for his good health, but I will pray that I will win the election. So I wish him a very good health. But sorry to say, I'll not wish him a good luck because I do want to serve my people of the district and then constituency. But Nangis KP, Nehlang, he will not mind me winning the election. No matter he take me as his child. No? So I believe a father will not deprive his child. So let's hope for the best. And then upaiba jungiru sayo yakalat ban pay mo. Observe both the candidate numar hangni hinga ongba we got is a great opportunity nga numar Nehlang ide ex-MLA ubampa jurem like election ngai lade ngarang de sitting MLA, so we can consider both of us ni de ki sitting MLA the hangta ki ba ki yo hai ka chance ban balance ni ban page mo observe yakini ki argue ki candidate me and him. So let's hope for the best. It's a nice fight and most welcome for anybody to apply by the contest election. Why? Manhakane he was tough. It was a tough fight. 2018. Namar me iru ide sitting MLA. So with God's blessing, nangam jukoi berkat bama nan yo ek to margin to play eight but kucing ijong pai ba ngila ye job. The best thing is that bunsen ki pai ba ki kli na ma justin ba ke gadau pi ya don lang ba di market me te itu ba gadau bunga kershan di market men ke gadau ba ile ya kam ko bahan buta jong ba I ong ru ba da job manga the job the weru haba ke ga motive jungi ke ban le ba yo ba te hangta I don kata ke still ba me as a youth leader I'll do better and then I'll do more for the ngandang yo chuka for one safe ba. So he gave me a chance. I really appreciate mo na so comment hado kata ba hi ilong kumi rangba brio na kathan jungi ba page ga district jungi ba the state hi ha for we ila safe for 5 years 2013 to 18 the still tho ba the ai nga kini kala the ek bangam la shu ban siu kleng ni ki la bha jungi ba nga nganduwa ni ta ju bha jungi mo hopefully I'll get the opportunity to serve back in a different way. If not in politics, so we'll serve back him in a different way against Kyrmen. Plus, the Jingwan Jong change a lot. I mean, same high ki pai ba jong constituency jong plus ki pai ba bun ru ki bala mun hakini ki kwah ban don lang. Ngai ki ong ba ma just change but I got the declaration ni but long ki ba scheme ma jaru. So masan I get declaration jong I mean few months back take back Kyrmen ma. So this shows a good thing and hopefully we'll have a good result. We have no doubt for that.